Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's wanting to print it with the registration marks and without the registration mark, but they're evidently having trouble exporting it. And I'm no expert in this, but I think I've got this figured out. If we look, this is a grouped together item. It's got 10 objects and it is 8 by 10 or 10 by 8. I'm going to hold down the shift key and double click the rectangle tool, and that put a 10 by 8 rectangle. I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to nudge that back. I'm going to group this together, Control G, and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my box in the center of the page. Now I'm going to Control G to group that, and I've got to open up a new page, so I'm going to Control C to copy it. They'll have to put in their page size. I'm going to right click and paste it. So now I've got an 8 by 10 or 10 by 8. With nothing else on the page is kind of the key. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Export. I'm going to call it Test 3. And it's a PDF that they can change whatever they want to export it as. And I'm going to say Export. I'm not going to change anything here. I'm going to say OK. So now let's delete this. And I'm going to right click the mouse and import test 3 and say import. And I don't know where they want it on their page, but I'm just going to click without dragging it. I'm just going to click it. Now I have an 8 by 10. And if we want that line taken away, we can just go to Object Group and, well, I guess we can't take that line away. Yes, we can. So that's the same size. But, you know, I know nothing about what size printer they have. You know, they might want to change their laser bed or their bed to 10 by 8 and then put that in the center of the page. Whoop, I still had them ungrouped. So group that. Well, let's take away our box because they probably won't want to print that. Let's group that together and hit P. And that's going to print the appropriate size as the one that has the registration mark. And we can kind of prove that by, let's Control C to group it. And let's take this one right here and paste it. And let's change the color to blue. And let's put this one on top. So it's exactly the exact size of the other one. That's all I know. I hope that helped them. And thank you for watching.